Hi, today I want to show you how to verify your domain using Google Postmaster tools. Now, first you go to Google Postmaster tools. You can simply type that in any browsers. Then you click on the plus sign and then you want a domain to authenticate your email. In this case, I want to authenticate C dot, which is a subdomain of 5dwellness.org. So you don't add an email address with the ad, just the last thing that is after the at sign in a domain, C dot, or if you want the whole domain, it's just 5dwellness.org. Then you click next and you will get the text record to the DNS configuration for this subdomain. Now you need to copy this text that Google gives you, go to your domain host and the provider where your DNS for the domain is housed. I use Cloudflare. Here they are because it is very simple to use, especially with our business in a box or go high level ecosystem. How do you do it? Add a record and go to a text record as instructed by Google Postmaster. The name is not the root. We want to certify a subdomain. If it's a root, you add the @ sign. If you don't have a subdomain with a dot, and then you paste in the content part what Google gave you as verification tools. This is important for any domain, including email domain, together with other domain verification tools like DMARC and DKIM that are all important if you want your emails to go anywhere but to the spam box. Hope that helped a little bit. Oh, we are not done. Let's go back to the Google Postmaster tools. Here we go. Remember, we were here, verify your ownership. I entered it into my DNS in Cloudflare. This text record, click verify. Usually it goes very fast, and now it has been added to my verified domains. And here you can see they're all green. These are verified. Red means not verified yet. There's work to be done. Pretty simple to do. I know you can do it. If you need help, let us know.